In this short video guys, I will guide you through a step-by-step process of obtaining the Autodesk student license and installing the Revit software. So let's start by searching for Autodesk on Google. Click on www.autodesk.com, which is the very first result in the search engine. Now under the product tabs, click on educational access. Now you will be redirected to another page where you need to locate the get product option and click on it. Now you will see list of Revit applications. So click on Revit and get started. Here you need to enter your educational role, that is as a student, and then your date of birth. Then you further need to provide your information such as first name, last name, Gmail ID. During this step, there are two important factors to consider. Firstly, ensure that your first and last name matches the one of your institutional ID card. And secondly, provide a valid Gmail ID as the license will be sent to this email address. Now you need to verify your Gmail ID. So to do this, navigate to your Gmail inbox. So open the Gmail sent by Autodesk and click on verify. Now as you click on done, so you will be redirected to a page listing Autodesk applications once again. And now you again need to click on get started on Revit and then provide some information about your universities and you. So after providing information, click on confirm. Now they will ask you to sign in with your educational institution, with your institutional ID. But we will adopt another way. So for a while, click on this confirm eligibility with your option on this option. Now as you click on this option, a new tab will open. Leave this tab and come back to previous tab. On the previous tab, you will find options such as upload document. So click on the upload document and upload your ID card front and back. Make a PDF of it and upload it. So after you have uploaded your ID card, you need to click on submit, and then you will receive a message that your verification will be confirmed within 48 hours. So from my experience, if you have provided correct Gmail and correct ID card, so it won't take more than a minute. So as here you can see, I'm going back to my Gmail and I will search for my my educational license. So here you can see I have got my license, educational license. So now you need to click on get products. Now as you click on get products, so you will be redirected to a page again listing desktop application, but this time you won't be logged in. So you need to log in with your credentials of Autodesk. As here you can see, I'm logging in myself. Now again you will receive a confirmation email that you have been received your educational license. Now when this time you will click on Revit, so you will get an option of installation. Now I recommend you to go for 2021 version because it's fast as compared to 2022 and 2023 version. So go for 2021 version. Now click on install. Now as you click on install, so it won't take less than 5 minutes to install the setup. As the setup will be installed, now you need to go and click on open. Now it will require internet connection for installing Revit on your software, and it may take more than around 4 to 5 hours. So keep the directory as it is. And now here is something important point that I need to tell you about these libraries. These libraries are quite important. They require space up to 50 GB of your local C disk. So make sure you have enough space on your local C disk. And now as you click on install, so you can easily install the Revit software in about 4 to 5 hours. Thanks. Guys, so far I have taught you how to install Autodesk Revit software. So if you want to install any other Autodesk application, so the procedure would be same. You just need to go to Autodesk application page and then you need to look for the software which you need. At the moment, I need Navisworks Manage, so I clicked on it, and then I select my machine Windows, operating system Windows, and then version 2021. Since I'm using Revit 2021, that's why I've taken 2021 Navisworks Manage version. Now it will take some around 2 to 5 minutes for downloading. Once the download has been completed, now you can go and start the installation. Now this installation will require smooth internet connection, and there are some steps that you need to do, and at the end of those steps you will be able to walk your way through the Navisworks Managed software. Thanks.